created a simple and easy way for you always to stay charged. And how do we keep you always charged? With this. Because this is your charger, and it's just a sticker. And this is your power strip. It's not a block that you hide somewhere. It's an ultra-thin surface that you can put everywhere. And this is how I always stay charged. Thanks to a wireless tech up to 4 times faster than induction and 20 times more powerful than a classic charger, with no electromagnetic waves and full charge efficiency. With classic chargers, you can charge one thing at a time. With Energysquare, you can charge all your devices at the same time, at the same power, everywhere. Thanks to our intelligent detection system, we make sure no energy is sent until a battery is detected, so the surface is completely inert. So all day long, you'll be charging your devices without even thinking about it. At work, in the evening with friends or family, and all night when you're asleep.
We started this project in engineering school when charging devices was a real pain for us. So our team has been working hard for the past 2 years to change that. We started from prototypes to a real product that is tailored to fit all your needs. We are engineers, designers, managers, coders that really believe we can reinvent the way we have access to energy.
Our vision is that at every moment of your life, you can forget that you're actually charging. And for that, we designed 2 different sizes to adapt to all your usages. For now, Energysquare is compatible with smartphones and tablets. But we've developed an open source standard so we can work together with manufacturers and makers to make more products Energysquare compatible.
Hi, I'm Keith McMillan, and I'd like to show you my latest invention, QuNeo, a multi-touch hand controller.
While it covers all the functionality of other DJ hand controllers, QuNeo adds the power of touch recognition in other dimensions. Each of the 27 pads, sliders, and rotary sensors are pressure, velocity, and location sensitive. Even the 17 switches respond to how hard you press. You want expression? Here it is. A remarkable illumination scheme combines variably diffusive elastomers with hundreds of multicolor LEDs, providing visual feedback that is immediately responsive and delightfully informative. Man and machine are coupled through light, feel, and sound. To bang our own drum, we have the best trigger pads ever conceived. 16 30mm square pads provide 127 levels of velocity response, and XY location, and continuous pressure. You can have rim shots at the edges, flam speed in the middle, and loudness mapped to how hard you push for each pad, times 16. 2 rotary surfaces allow you to scrub, trigger, stretch, pinch, and play phrases and sound files. Each rotary measures angle, pressure, and distance from the center. 9 touch-sensitive sliders can be mapped to fader and effects controls. LEDs within each slider can act as VU meters or remind you where you were. Multi-touch lets you zoom a length between two fingers that can set stereo locations or filter resonances. Tapping a slider can mute or toggle any track or function. The switches are located in smart groupings for use as sample selects, fader banks, and transports. Each of the switches do more than switch and can scan up and down through files at speeds variable with your touch. Great for locating that perfect fill or telling your looper you really mean it.
The QuNeo is easy to use and will plug in right away to products like Ableton Live, but we also open it up so you can get in there and tinker, have complete control over LEDs, raw sensor data, so you can make your own applications.
Remarkably, the QuNeo is the size of an iPad 2 and can fit in many iPad accessories, such as mic clips and stands. QuNeo works with USB, MIDI, or OSC.
I've seen Keith have one success after another with different things. He's certainly a controller guy and one of the great controller guys of the era.
And I'm really just blown away to be able to have a controller that has all these different touch strips and can give you the kind of feedback that you want.
Trust me when I tell you, this is going to change improvisation, composition, and sound design for electronic music and any other kind of music you want to do forever. It's amazing. So check it out.
I've been delivering audio software and hardware solutions for over 30 years. Some of my inventions include the first programmable audio mixer, the Zeta violin, and the award-winning SoftStep multi-touch foot controller. The Kronos Quartet has just performed the world's first piece for sensor bows using my K-Bow Bluetooth violin bow. This is the first time technology and tradition have been successfully used by a string quartet on the classical stage. Everyone at KMI is a musician, with skills that allow us to deliver products that set the standard in utility, performance, and size.